Welcome to the final of a three-part series on British versus American English. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2 yet, be sure to check those out after this video. Today, we've got 5 more word pairs of UK and US English. Let's dive in. 1. Lift, UK, and elevator, US. Example:
British. Take the lift to the 5th floor.
American, take the elevator to the 5th floor.
In the UK, a lift is a machine that carries people or goods between different levels of a building. In the US, the same machine is called an elevator. Both mean the same thing, just different vocabulary depending on the country. 2. Chips, UK, and fries, US. Example:
British. I'll have fish and chips, please.
American, I'll have fish and fries, please.
This one is a classic food confusion. In the UK, chips are thick-cut fried potatoes, what Americans call fries. Meanwhile, chips in the US refer to what Brits call crisps. So if you're in the UK and ask for chips, you're getting fries, not potato chips. 3. Trainers, UK, and sneakers, US. Example:
British. Don't forget your trainers for PE.
American, don't forget your sneakers for gym class.
Both terms refer to athletic shoes used for running, sports, or working out. Brits call them trainers, while Americans say sneakers. They're exactly the same thing, just different names. 4. Rubber, UK, and eraser, US. Example:
British. Pass me a rubber, I made a mistake.
American, pass me an eraser, I made a mistake.
In the UK, a rubber is a small piece of rubber used to erase pencil marks. But be careful, in American English, rubber can mean something completely different, such as a slang term for a condom. So, in the US, always use the word eraser when talking about correcting pencil errors. 5. Tap, UK, and faucet, US. Example:
British. Turn on the tap and fill the kettle.
American, turn on the faucet and fill the kettle.
Both refer to the device that controls water flow in your sink or bathtub. Brits call it a tap, Americans say faucet. You will hear both in kitchens and bathrooms around the world. And there you have it. 5 more vocabulary differences between British and American English that will help you speak more confidently no matter where you are. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next English video. Thanks for watching.